with a big 1-year-old right there. Look at the smile on that kiddo's face. Why shouldn't you be smiling at Hudsyn Gabbert? You get to celebrate that big first birthday. Now, actually, just for technicality reasons, Hudson's 1 year and 1 day today.
Aww.
366 days up on the board for that big boy. He's in Moran.
I'm looking at him in the big close-up picture, and I think that's a little bit of drool on his chin.
That's
Makes
okay.
him even cuter.
You know what? You're allowed to when you won.
No, I love his smile. What a doll. Happy birthday, Hudsyn. Hope you had a wonderful day yesterday and today, too. Alleigh Fraser. Pretty spelling for Alleigh there. 5 years old for Alleigh in Carterville. Happy birthday.
Another great smile. Love it. Love it. Alexis Greve. She is now turning 7. Speaking of great smiles, and oh yeah, I think somebody gets spoiled there, don't they, Alexis? She is turning 7 in Savinburg, and Alexis, I want you to know, special love from Mom, Dad, and Sis.
All right. Baylee Overman is turning 11 years old this year. It's all about the smiles today, Michael. Happy birthday to Baylee from Mom, Dad, and Sawyer.
And it's a number 12 for Caleb Merrick. Oh, I like the sign there too. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Caleb, as he is a proud 6th grader in Mound Valley.
Would that be like a tractor pull thing, or?
I don't know if it's a tractor.
I don't know. I'm just curious what that is.
I think it's a cool sign.
Oh, I guess it works 6th grade. You did say that. All right. Happy birthday, Caleb.
Hey, we got a Carlskent birthday.
Yeah, Alleigh Carlskent is now a teenager officially. 13 years old for Alleigh in Pittsburgh. And as I understand, her sister Lily had a birthday on February 15th.
No, I remember doing Lil's just a little bit ago.
Yeah.
How's Alleigh a teenager?
It's a month for the Carlskents.
Happy birthday, Alleigh. Baylee Monroe, a happy 18th birthday to you, Baylee. Now, she is a senior in Columbus. So, Baylee, number 1, congratulations on your upcoming graduation in advance, and a happy birthday to you as well.
All right. And we've got Kaylee Vanway, turning 18 years old in Carthage. Happy birthday to Kaylee. Love, Mom.
Audrey Green, getting special birthday wishes from the entire family. What a great picture right there. Miss Audrey, won't you have a very, very happy birthday. Enjoy everybody that you're surrounded by there. She's in Pittsburgh.
All right, looks like she's got a fun
That's a
group
great
there.
picture.
And in Carl Junction.
Hold on, Kenny, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to blow that. It looks like Audrey is trying to take that selfie, and she's like, all right, everybody pile in. Or I wonder if Audrey was taking a selfie and everybody just piled in anyway.
She had a Chiefs hat on too, didn't she?
Uh-huh.
Yep, it was game time.
Now, Kenny, I apologize. I was not stealing your thunder.
Oh, we just got
Speaking
to look
of
at
cool
his picture
hats,
longer.
I have that same hat.
Oh, I think I've seen you in that hat.
I love that hat.
Kenny Haynes is 56 years old. A great picture there. Another great smile in Carl Junction.
I am told this is not the rock and roll singer, but I don't know if that's true or not. Happy birthday to Alice Cooper. Alice celebrating in Columbus. Cerelia Cooper is turning 72. Well, turned 72. Happy birthday to Cerelia in Chanute. And Maddox Johnson, now a teenager as well. The big 13 in the knack.
All right. And we've got Haley Skinner, turning 18 years old in Pittsburgh. Hope it's a great one for you, Haley. Madison Haggerty celebrating a birthday in Frontenac, and Richard Babb turns 43 down in Miami.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAM-TV.com, or if you want to go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com, just slash that and type birthdays, and it'll take you right to the page you need. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Yep, we have this little thing called the KOAM Birthday Club, and you can become a member by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.